Hello and welcome to this new video where I'll tell you all about our smart data. Now what I've done is already gone ahead and pre-selected a vehicle, and I am now in the general overview. Now, as you can see here on the right hand side, there are already links to SmartPack, but I will click on the SmartPack tab and I'll start from there. I will start with the official recall data, which this example is risk of fire. You can see the publication date and you can see the OE codes. The second tab is the technical service bulletins. These are internal service bulletins. And the third tab are the smart cases. Now, smart cases are unique for HaynesPro because these are for workshops by workshops. I will take an example, show you an example here. This is a combination of malfunctions. And this is what a typical smart case would look like. There's symptom, cause and solutions. And this pretty much goes for all of our smart data. They're all built up in the same way. Now, what's also smart about a smart case is if you have extracted a fault code from your tester, then you're able to enter it here in fault codes, and you'll see that fault codes sometimes are linked to smart cases. So I'll take an example, P244C, and I'll click on search. And as you can see here, there is a smart case linked to this fault code, which is power loss. I'm going to click on it, and here you have the case. And again, these cases have clear pictures, and this case also shows you the parts required where applicable. And that's why we call it clearly better data.